So if you guys got questions about what it's like to be a welder, they can answer it, okay? So check it out. We are going to be doing some live welding demonstrations up here. Are we ready?
The Blue Collar Tour is an event where we travel across the country, going to high schools, teaching kids about the blue collar trades, and a little bit of what we know, which is welding.
Just threading it right onto our handle.
We're trying to show our students different pathways towards success. Skilled trades, you can go from high school to vocational training and go out and make some great money. We're trying to give kids more opportunities and more venues for career success.
We're going to have a welding competition.
It's mathematical and actually bring it into like real life scenarios.
And we're live.
Spacing that piping out just right, and if it's not just right, you might not have a good weld.
Careful, you don't want to stare at that, that'll burn you.
It's important. We're already short 400,000 welders in the industry now. For about every 7 that retire, we replace 1.
But I don't like how tight the end of it is.
It's hands-on, which is exactly what I'm looking for a career. Doing anything hands-on, that's at least the way that I learn. Being able to experience and do what they're talking about and teaching you is the biggest thing to me.
On average, what I've seen as a director at Western Welding Academy, kids graduate the school making at least $70,000 a year.
I'm in school to be an electrician right now.
Electricity. Honestly,
I like this though too.
If you got the grit and determination to hustle and get out there and make money, it's out there for you.
It's not as easy as it looks.
I hope they walk away with an appreciation for the trades. When you're 25, 27 years old and bringing home 6 figures for your family, the blue collar notion of the stereotype goes away pretty quick.
There were so many more girls and women than I expected there to be. Women are opening up to more hands-on careers than we have in the past.
I love to work with my hands way more than anything. It's therapeutic, and on top of it, a whole lot of money.
All right, everybody, give these guys